What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video we have created this function, but here you can see that we have put a value here, but we don't want a user to use our code or source code. We have to give a separate real world program to do so. So how can we do that? Let's begin.
Hey, myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
Use a simple input equals not equals to input parentheses, then we will write what we want. Let's say enter temperature. I think the spelling of temperature is wrong. TMPERATURE. If you want you can put this colon here. Let's say what we will get now. Okay, we have to put it in a variable. Let's say we can put it in temps equals to this. Now if we run our program, let's see what we got. 10 temps. So let's begin. Enter temperature. You can see that we get this. If you write anything we will get an error. So why we get the error? Let's read the code. It says file, this file. You can see the error has been occurred in this file. Then printing this line to this. It says this print function tries to execute this line of a code in line 2, but it is unsuccessful. Let's say why. Type error not supported between instance of string and integer. It says there is no support between. What is the difference between string or integer? We have to put a string here, not a string. Let's create a float. You know what are floats. If you don't know, you can watch this full tutorial from beginning. Let's run our program again. First of all, clear it. Now enter temperature. Let's say 25. It will return hot. Then if you try to again run it, if you put 0 point something, it will return a swarm. But if you put here int and if you type this, it will return fine. But if you put any decimal point, it will give us error. That's why we have used float in the place of integer. Let again run it, enter temperature, and blah 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 blah. It gives hot. So you can try whatever you want. Meet you in the next tutorial, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.